Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to be talking about pieces in your closet that you probably don't need. Maybe if you're looking to clean out your wardrobe, sell some stuff on Poshmark, or just donate. Maybe you're looking to limit your items to more of a capsule closet or packing for college or something like that. Video will be helpful to you. I am the queen of purging out my closet, so let's just get into it. The first thing is it's if you're out of college. You probably don't need those dirty white bar or frat sneakers anymore. If you're looking to just dress a little bit more chic and look a little bit more put together always, getting rid of those dirty white sneakers will really do it for you. I'm not saying you can't have sneakers, but I'm talking about the Air Force ones that are your go-to, like, I'm gonna get disgusting tonight. I think once you're out of college and you start going to the bar or whatever, wearing a pair of like leather boots or kitten heels or even sneakers that just aren't disgusting is such a power move, and it will make you look so much more chic. And it really doesn't matter the outfit you have on. I've seen so many girls in the cutest little two-piece sets or slip dresses or whatnot, and then they have those dirty bar sneakers on, and I'm like, the outfit is just ruined by those. Contemplate giving them up, because I can see why if you had them, it'd be so easy to just be like, oh, I'll throw these on. Or like cowboy boots instead. So good. There's just a million other shoe options, especially for going out, instead of your dirty white Air Force Ones or dirty white sneakers. The next one is something that, again, maybe you don't need anymore, but maybe you still do, but I think you could get away without it always, is a parka. I understand getting a parka in college, like walking from class to class if you're in the freezing cold, but honestly, I was just like lazy and not that into like fashion back then, so I didn't know about other warm jackets. And when I'm talking about the parka, I'm talking about, the fur on the hood, and it goes like past your knees and you just look like a caterpillar. Because even when I was in Chicago for that year, freezing in Chicago, and I'd go walk Ernie for like 2 hours at a time in freezing cold temperatures, I didn't always have to put on my super puff. Like, I knew how to layer, I knew about long underwear, the importance of a hat and a scarf and gloves over just like insane warm clothes only right here. Again, okay, I'm sorry if I'm breathing heavily. I got a comment that said I'm breathing too heavily. I am 7 months pregnant. I can't breathe. Besides the point. If you live in a place where it gets really cold outside, you know the importance of your jacket and how your jacket is like a lot of the times your entire outfit. So if you have like a super cute outfit on and you put that parka on top, it like can break an outfit. I rarely see it, I'm gonna say never, where the parka makes the outfit. Because also I think if you are dressing a little bit more casual and sporty, of course you can get away with like a puffer jacket, but they're still not my favorite. I think if you want your jacket to save all your outfits and you don't have to put thought into anything, you can wear these with sweat sets or denim or, going out or dresses, whatever. Having a wool trench, a fur jacket, a secondhand fur jacket, they're just as warm as parkas, and you really can't go wrong with them. I literally forgot that, and I talked about this in the video where I talk about pieces your wardrobe is missing, and I talk about fur jackets. I was looking on Etsy for them, and I linked some down in the description for you guys. My grandma had 2 fur jackets, and I didn't like them because they had giant shoulder pads, and I just cut out the shoulder pads, and it's literally the most perfect fur jacket, and it's the most sustainable thing because it was already in my mom's closet just sitting there. So very excited about that, but it will keep you just as warm as a parka. Next thing you probably don't need in your closet are too much of the same thing, and what I mean by that is you definitely don't need your favorite going out top in 6 different colors. The way you will get so much more out of your closet by getting different cuts and fabrics and still colors, but everything being a little bit different, you'll feel like you have a lot more clothes. If I have just like the Urban Outfitter bustier in every color and I pair it with jeans every night, or, dark wash, light wash, or black denim, it's gonna feel like the same outfit over and over and over. Where if I have that shirt, all those colors, but different cuts. They could all still be tank tops, but one of them has an open back, one of them is that structured bustier, one of them's a bit more flowy, one's a tube top. You're gonna feel like you have way more clothes. So I know how tempting it can be if you find a top you like to buy it in every color, but refrain from it. Go to the thrift store and look through every tank top or every top that they have, and you will find so many different cuts and styles of tops you would never think of getting. Literally the best. Next thing I don't think you need in your closet are 100 hoodies or crew necks. I really think all you need is a gray hoodie and a black hoodie, and then a gray crew neck and a black crew neck. I don't think you need any more. I personally like them with not like all the branding or design on them. It looks a lot more chic and just grown up instead of wearing something with a graphic on it. I still love graphic tees, but for hoodies and crew necks, I'm such a plain girl that's what I'm drawn to. Wearing a plain gray crew neck and denim can be a really chic look if you have it like a good fit and accessorize right. The AC just turned on. And I also think once you're out of college and high school, you're not solely wearing just hoodies and crew necks. You really will branch out into other tops and sweaters. The way a crew neck sweater is like my favorite thing ever. They just look so much more put together, like you're trying a lot harder than a hoodie, and it's just as comfortable. So again, get your butt to the thrift store to thrift some crew neck sweaters. The next thing you can always get rid of, clothes that are uncomfortable, itchy, don't fit, just make you feel uncomfortable. Don't let them take up space in your closet. Don't let them take the up time of getting ready where you're like, I've always tried to wear this skirt, but for some reason it just never works. If you're saying that about an item in your closet, it's not for you. Get rid of it. Make a space for something that you will wear all the time. I literally tried putting on this super cute plaid sweater today, and I didn't think it was gonna be itchy, and I put it on with just a bra, which is how I wear sweaters. I don't something underneath, and this was itchy, so I was like, I'll try it one more time, even though I know I shouldn't, but then it's gotta go because I know I won't wear it if it's itchy, which is so sad because it's so cute. But yeah, you've got to part ways with those things. And the last thing I don't think you need in your closet or to keep in your closet are costumes. I know this sounds really weird. I don't know why I feel like people like hoard onto Halloween costumes and dress up like costume kind of outfits. Again, I get it if you're in college and you were going to like frats who do themed parties and you just had like a bin and you share it with your friends. But once you're out of college, like that doesn't happen. Not that ever happened for me in college. I did not go to frat parties, but I really think you'll be so impressed with how much space you can make in your closet by getting rid of costumes and things like that. I don't know. For me, it just doesn't even make sense keeping those kind of items at all because I'm not going to be the same thing I was last year for Halloween or whatever. Maybe ask your friends if they want to use the costume and you can dump it on them. Other than that, I just don't really know why you'd keep those things, costumes. But that's it for this video. Kind of a short one. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope your closet is looking cleaner than ever after this. Leave in the comments below what kind of videos you want to see from me. I'm struggling a little bit because not a lot of clothes fit me. So for outfit inspo, I feel like I've shown you guys everything in my closet already that fits, and as time goes on in the next 2 months, things just aren't gonna fit even more. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye.